G'day, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel on this beautiful morning in Lincolnshire. Blue skies and the cat's here as well. In my garden to talk about this. This is Bill, and if you are seeing this video, then Bill's gone to a new home. Not the scrapyard, some people will be shouting at their televisions, but to a wonderful guy called Craig, a couple of hours away, based in Mansfield, who used to work for a Proton dealership back in the day, and he was absolutely thrilled to bits when I offered this for sale, and he could not wait to come and grab hold of it. Now, to me, Bill was a project. It was something I was always going to save. If you haven't seen the video on Bill, the details are up in the top corner there, but it originally originated in the Weird Car Twitter community with Chloe and Samantha, and then went to a young lad called Kez, who had it, and whilst he was at university, it was vandalised, and you can see that it was vandalised, i.e. it has footprints all over the shop, all up here and all on the boot lid, and all these trims were ripped off and the interior damaged as well. And so I've put it back together. I've put Bill back together, and at the moment he's looking a bit sorry because I've not given him a clean yet, but I've put Bill back together, put all the trims back on, I have put all the interior back together, as you can see, and Bill is ready to fight another day and have a new home. Why aren't you keeping him, John? I can't keep him. I can't keep all of them. I've got another 2 or 3 here that I need to sort out, and actually this one needs to go to a nice new home. So if you're watching the video, things I'm going to do before Craig comes and picks Bill up, I'm just going to give him a wash off, wash these trims, pump the tyres up, but he's coming to pick it up with a flatbed truck anyway, because obviously Bill is not taxed or on the road. He is MOT'd and he is insured, but the bloke is going to not take that risk of driving Bill home and potentially breaking down. One thing I'd say about Bill is when I bought Bill, he was sort of 350 miles away and was absolutely filthy. And if you haven't seen the videos of that, again, up in the corner, filthy Bill. And there was still sort of forensic CSI fingerprint stuff on the windows. And I drove Bill 350 miles back home, and I won't lie, it was one of the best Proton drives I have ever had in my life. Mechanically amazing, this car, and that is a testament to its former owners. Cosmetically, Bill needs a bit of a TLC, and that's something I can't give him any further. So yeah, onwards and upwards for Bill. I must admit, things I've done to Bill since I had him was put the original floor mats in, which I've taken back out, which is a cheeky move, I know. I've taken those back out because they are going to go in one of my new collections. I've also removed the additional wheel trims that I put on. So I put these wheel trims on Bill, and I've advertised Bill without the wheel trims because finding a set of those is quite difficult. So I am going to sell the car without it. There is a set of wheel trims in the boot that are non-standard, but I'm going to put those wheel trims on something I'm keeping, which makes sense, right? I've gone to the time and effort, so I might as well keep them and use them on something else. I'm not going to take the stereo out. I was going to take the stereo because I needed one, but it deserves to stay in Bill. And one of the best things about this car is just the actual scope that there is with this. You get this home, get this cleaned off, get a DA action mop on this, and this is going to come up beautifully. Yeah, how do you feel about me getting rid of Bill so quickly? Let me know in the comments below. Whatever you're getting up to today, hope you've enjoyed the video, this quick video update. Until next time, have a great day and goodbye.